How to stake Aerodrome. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up the official website of aerodrome.finance, and over here you would be able to find the option of lock, and simply click on lock and then wait for it to load. Over here you can lock your Aero, and you can check out different APRs for it, and you can just simply scroll down and check out. The APR is as high as 114% for some, but make sure that you check out who you are staking it with, because there might be some uncertainties in future. No one can guarantee that your funds will be safe, so it's better that you do your research before staking your Aero. Over here you can also go with the liquidity, and for that just simply select the option of liquidity over here. Now select the different liquidities where you want to provide the liquidity and get the incentives. The liquidity APR is quite high over here, but make sure that you study impermanent loss before providing any liquidity on Aerodrome Finance or any other DeFi platform, because impermanent loss is something that can make you lose your money even after putting so much efforts. So now I hope you know how to stake Aerodrome, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.